Hello friends, welcome once again to Isosceles Online Maths. In this video, we shall discuss the area of a triangle. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by Your Lesson app. Catch me on their TikTok page at Your Lesson app. Go to Play Store, download and subscribe to their app so that you can enjoy my math videos. Basically, anytime you wish to solve for the area of a triangle, it is always simple when the triangle is a right angle triangle. As you can see here, this is the right angle here, and the height is now 7. Height is always upright, and the base is 6. So to get the area of this triangle, you use the formula area is equal to half multiplied by the base of the triangle, then multiply by the height of the triangle. This is the formula you use when it is a right angled triangle. Now you can see that our base is 6, so we have half multiplied by the 6 multiplied by the height, which is 7. And you will notice here that half times 6 is 3, because these two will divide itself to give 1 divided 6 is 3. So we are left with 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. And when you take this multiplication, you are getting 21 centimeters squared. Now, what if you have a triangle without a height being stated there? Let's say you have this particular triangle here, and you have here as 10 cm, here as 10 cm, and here at let's say 12 centimeters. How would you get the area of this particular triangle since the height is not given? Understand that these two 10 centimeters are not the height of this triangle. This is not the height. This is not the height. Height is always straight and upright. But these two lines that are 10 cm each are just the slant height. They are not the height of the triangle. So it becomes almost difficult to get the area of this particular triangle, because area is half times base times height. But there is a solution. Once you find out that the triangle given to you is isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, that is when two sides are equal or the three sides are equal, just carefully bisect the triangle into two equal parts. This only happens if this triangle is equilateral or isosceles. If not, this cannot work. You have to use the Heron's formula. That's the only solution. Okay, so now you have to get the height of this triangle. Remember that when you have bisected this length of 12 centimeter, that each of the lengths will be 6 cm and 6 cm. So you can carefully bring out one part of the triangle like this. This is a right angle. Here is now 6 centimeters, and here is now 10 centimeters. This is our height. Height is upright. You can apply Pythagoras theorem here, so that we'll have that h squared is equal to 10 squared minus 6 squared. This is Pythagoras theorem. It will help us to get the height of this triangle. And 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. When you subtract, you find out that the answer is 64. Therefore, h becomes the square root of 64, which will give us 8 cm. You can now see that we've got the height of this triangle at 8 cm. Therefore, our area will now be half multiplied by the base, which is 12, multiplied by the height, which is now 8. And 2 we divide the 12 to give us 6. So we are left with 1 times 6 times 8. And when you multiply 1 by 6 by 8, you get 48 centimeters squared. This is just the area of this particular triangle. What if you have a triangle like this, where here is 7 cm, here is 9 cm, and here is 8 cm? This is not an isosceles triangle. It is always very difficult to get the area of this triangle, because you cannot bisect it into two parts, since none of the sides are equal to each other. Expect my next video where I shall talk about the area of this particular triangle using a formula we call the Heron's formula. It will go a long way to solve the area of this particular triangle. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by Your Lesson app. Catch me on their TikTok page at Your Lesson app. Go to Play Store, download and subscribe to their apps so that you can enjoy my math videos. If you really understood what I've discussed in today's class, kindly try to find the area of this particular triangle here and put up your answer in the comment box so that I will be able to know if you've really understood what we've discussed in today's class. Thank you for viewing and may God bless you.